all times. Now, eating and drinking is not allowed during the show, alright? Now, secondly, as this is a bird show, I need all of your help to remain seated. Alright, please do not stand up and move about during the show, and of course, most importantly, keep your hands down at all times. Can you all do that for me? Is that okay? Alright, very good. So now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, why don't you just sit back and relax, because it's showtime!
By our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help us take actions for all of our feathered friends across the world. Now, speaking of feathered friends, look right behind me, we have a chicken. Right now, that is Charlie. He's actually a bantam chicken. The bantam chickens are a smaller species of chickens. Now, speaking of flying, right, one of the world's most beautiful and colorful high flyers are parrots. So before this, I need all of your help to quickly take a seat and remain seated at all times. Everyone ready? Now look right up there and let's welcome the birds. Now first up, this is Adrian, our scarlet macaw. Look right up there once again, let's welcome Gaia, our high-speed macaw. Beautiful flying macaws like these, they can be found in the jungles of South America. Now going back to Gaia, the one in blue right here, he is a high-speed macaw, one of the largest in the parrot family. And is also one of the 4 rare blue macaw species that can be found in the world. Right, now let me tell you what happens after eating. So after eating, parrots will fly to rocky surfaces just like these. And what they do is to lick up on chalk or clay. And that actually helps them with the digestion of any unripe foods or nuts that they have eaten. It looks like both birds are still right up there, but not to worry, this will definitely be their next stop.
Hello.
Who is there with you?
Oh, everyone, this is Get Gabby, our blue and yellow macaw. In fact, Gabby is very conscious about the environment. Whenever she sees litter lying around, she will pick them up and then throw it into their respective bins.
You're saying that Gabby knows how to throw things into the bin?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, okay, let's see. I'm going to give you 3 types of litter. So what I have with me is a paper cutter, a metal can, and last but not least, plastic bottle.
And of course, I came prepared with different kinds of bins. One for paper, one for metal, and one for plastic.
Okay, very good. Gabby, can you show to us how do you recycle?
Alright, Gabby, are you ready?
Oh, you did that very fast.
Are you okay? You need some help?
Okay, that's a can. Let's see, and shake it with the metal bin. Wow, good job. Okay, final one shouldn't be too difficult. Last one, plastic bottle. Let's see. Plastic bottle to the plastic bin. Gabby, cut this way. Plastic bottle, plastic bin, and it goes. I don't think you can reach the top of the bin. It's a little high. Let's have him out.
Oh, okay, I forgot about this little stool that Gabby has.
Oh, Gabby, you know how to use a stool? Let's see. Oh, very fast. This is nicely right in front. Oh, I'm pretty sure Gabby can decide right now, right?
Yeah, she stepped on the floor and she recycled. Well done. But did you know that plastics has invaded the environment to such an extent that it kills 1 million birds and wildlife every single year? In fact, plastics are harmful to animals when they consume them, or even worse, when they get entangled in them. So that's why plastics are also known as the deadliest monsters.
Now that's why plastic waste indeed are known as the deadliest monsters, but you know what? Gabby here has set a very good example for all of us, right? I'm pretty sure if a bird can learn how to recycle, we all can do so as well, yes? So please, let us all learn to be our leaders, right? To help save wildlife and fight the deadliest monsters together. And with that, let's give it up to Gabby and Eileen. But before the next segment continues, I need all of your help. So please ensure that you have your mask on at all times and please remain seated. Now the next 2 birds coming out, they are often mistaken as hornbills because of the size of their beaks. But in fact, they are not. So what exactly are they, ladies and gentlemen? If you're ready, keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome our beautiful circle toucan. Hello, now we are joined by 2 of them this afternoon. Would you like to join me on stage? And these are so-called toucans. They can be found in the jungles of South America as well. They are the largest in the toucan family and are easily recognizable by their bright and orange bills. Right now, despite the size of their beaks, it's actually hollow. So this allows them to remain agile in flight, and they have been known to even catch insects in mid-flight. Alright, so we are going to demonstrate just that this afternoon. Now, of course, I'm not going to throw any insect up for it to catch. What I have with me is a piece of brick. Let's see if she can catch it. Are you ready? Come this way. You want to turn around. Very good. So on the count of 3, everyone. 1, 2, and 3. Up you go. Perfect catch. Good job. Right, now for the next bird, everyone. Fingers crossed. Right, so same thing. On the count of 3. 1, 2, and up he goes, another perfect catch. Let's give it up for beautiful total toucans. Well done. Now let me introduce the passing group. Right here, this is Mr. Axel. Over here, this is Mrs. Axel. Right, they are our beautiful and lovely husband and wife. Now did you know we are all very lucky to be able to see these beautiful birds right up close because their population numbers in the wild are unfortunately declining due to poaching and deforestation. So if you can, please do support the local conservation effort. Every time you come out to the park, you're actually helping us to protect precious animals. Right now, I think they have both done a wonderful job. It's time for them to head back home. So Mrs. Axel, please lead the way. And home is all the way back to where you came from. we go. Mr. and Mrs. Saxon making their way home. Let's give it up for our total again. Now when we think of parents, we often think of their amazing ability to talk. Right, but of course they don't speak. What they actually do is called mimicking, which is the copying of sounds. And they do this in a while as a form of social communication. What I have with me right here, this is a yellow-necked Amazon, famous for their ability to copy sounds. Right, now, shall we start off with something simple? Shall we have a handshake? There we go, very good handshake. Now, he's going to introduce himself, so would you like to tell everyone here, what's your name? What's your name? You hear that? His name is Pao Pao, which means baby or precious. Alright, one more time. What's your name? Pao. And Pao Pao is his name. Now before Pao Pao carries on, he has something he wants all of you to do for him. What is that? Now Pao Pao says, and some of the sounds that you'll be making are rather soft. So you all need to be quiet in order to hear him. Alright? Okay, Pao Pao. Let's begin with the first sound. What is it? What's that? Anyone knows? It's the sound of someone knocking on the door. Now, Pao, I think it's your friendly neighbor, the dog. Sounds like a cute little puppy, right? Very adorable instead. Now, you can also do some high-tech sounds. Let's see if you remember this. What's this? Ah, it's the sound of the ringing telephone. Now, Papa, when the telephone rings, what do you ask? Ah, Papa says, oh, you know what? In fact, I think I got it wrong, but thank you, Papa. Actually, when you pick up the phone, you are supposed to say, hello. Say hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
There we go. Nice and say hello by Papa. And you know what, Papa can also do some human sounds that you and I make. So when we are very sad, what happens? We tend to cry. Let me cry. Oh, Papa's a very sad little bird. I'm going to check him out, okay? I'm going to do that. I'm going to tickle him. Tickle. You get that? It's very soft little cheeky laughter. And you know what happens when Papa is happy? Papa will then do his happy dance. Round and round he goes, just like this. Show me your happy dance, Papa. Very cute, right? Good job, Papa. Okay, now, he's actually going to sing for us. He has learned to sing a line of the birthday song. Right, but before that, is anyone here celebrating a birthday today? If you are, raise your hands. Any birthdays today? No, no birthday today? Okay, how about tomorrow? Anyone having a birthday tomorrow? Okay, I'll tell you what. Those of you celebrating a birthday this year, raise your hand. Okay, very good. Papa, you know what to do. Okay, that was very fast. Can we do it together slowly? Okay? Happy birthday to you. Okay, your turn on your own.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, let's give that to Papa. Good job. Before that, yes, one last thing he wants to say to all of us. What is that?
I love you. I love you.
Papa, we all love you too. Can we give Papa a big hand? I think he's done a wonderful job. He's getting ready, he's baby. He wants to go back home. But before that, what must he say?
Bye-bye.
He's waiting.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let's give it up for Papa. You ever give them a song parrot? Now, as impressive as that was, did you know it takes lots of years and dedication for him to do what he did earlier? Now, some parrot species can live as long as you and I, sometimes even up to 80 years old. Right, so please do keep that in mind if you want to get yourself a pet parrot. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I need all of your help to remain seated, stay still, no sudden movements. Well, we're going to meet one of the most majestic animals of the bird world. Keep the eyes there, let's welcome Pepper, our Papuan Great Hornbill. Hello, good afternoon, Pepper. Now pepper here is a female hornbill. So hornbills in general, they can be found in two different continents of the world, Africa and Asia. So when a female hornbill wants to nest, what she'll do is look for holes or cavities in trees to build a nest in. And everyone, take a look right at the nest box over there. Using nest boxes just like these, we have been successful in breeding hornbills right here at the Jurong bird park. Alright, so we're going to have Pepper check her nest box out. So right up this way, you can get a closer look of Pepper. Take a look at her beautiful long eyelashes, yeah? Very nice. So, now you can check your nest box out. Pepper, your nest box is there. You can spread your wings and fly. Inspecting the surroundings, off she goes. Right now what she's doing is that she's inspecting the interior of the nest box. Only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Do you like it, Pepper? Let's see, and in she goes. So once inside, the female will then seal herself up using different materials like soil, vegetated food, and even her own droppings, leaving the hole big enough only for her beak to stick out. Now, Pepper, if you like a nest box, you can set it up now. That was very fast. Wait. Pepper, are you still inside? Are you there? There she is. But then everyone in front of her, let's welcome Sonny, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon. And this is a great type of hornbill. Now, even though they are two different species of hornbills, their nesting behaviors are very similar in the wild. So when the female is inside, the male will have the responsibility of feeding for the baby. So to feed the mother and the chicks, and it usually goes on for about 3 to 4 months until they are ready to leave the nest. And did you know right here in Singapore, we have our very own local species of hornbills, the Oriental Pied hornbills. Right, some of you might have seen them around. And right here in the Jurong Bird Park, we have been successful in breeding these particular species and then release them back in nature, and even right here in the park itself. Here comes Sonny, and he just missed me. Never mind, let's have a take 2, Sonny, this way. Excuse me, I'm on the stage. You want to turn around? There we go, here he comes. Very good. Now, Jurong Bird Park has one of the largest collection of different hornbill species, ranging from the African species to the Asian one as well. So please do check out our hornbill and chicken exhibit to find out more about that. I think Sonny here has done a wonderful job this time for him to take back home. Home is all the way back to Charlotte. There we go. There we go. And let's give it up for hornbills, everyone. But just as you have witnessed, Sonny, collecting food is actually a very important responsibility. So this afternoon, we're going to have a little competition, alright? We're going to be joined by 2 locals, and we're going to compete to see which parent is faster at bringing food home. So for that, they need supporters, right? So I'm going to split all of you into 2 different sections. People from this side, okay, all the way here. Now, who are we supporting? This is Toasty, our blue and yellow macaw. So all of you are Toasty supporters, okay? Very good. Now the rest of you, who is this? This is Stanley, our green macaw. The rest of you, you are Team Stanley. So supporters, all you have to do is clap your hands and stomp your feet as loud as you can. Let's make some noise. Very good. Birds to the table. Okay, so for our match this afternoon, what they have to do is to bring home 4 fruits. Right? We're going to bring it home into this hollow tree trunk right over here. Very good. Okay, supporters are ready, birds are ready. Let's go. Does Stanley have something to say? That was a warm-up. Did you hear that? Excuses, no? You want one more game? Toasty, shall we have one more game? What do you say? Toasty doesn't know. How about let's ask everyone here, those of you who think we should give Stanley here a second chance, raise your hands. Oh, so many of you. Very good. Let's give Stanley here a second chance. Okay, so Stanley supporters, remember, the louder you clap, the faster the birds are going to run, okay? So same thing, 4 birds each. Stanley, no cheating, that's a fair game, alright? So supporters are ready, birds are ready, let's go! I think we have a draw this afternoon. Both birds are equally good. So you know what? Let's see. Shall we have one last deciding match? Who wants one last match? Okay, all of you can come back tomorrow. I'm just kidding. Alright, let's give it up for both birds and trainees of fruit collecting macaws. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in a very short while, we are going to have our grand finale, so please do not go anywhere just yet. Now, I'm sure the birds here, they have all amazed you, and some of them might have even made you laugh as well. But please, let us not forget the bird conservation champions that we have met today. Now remember, we can all have these beautiful birds by simply making sure that the paper or wood that we buy comes from recycled sources. Okay, please remember, you and I, we have the power to choose what we buy, so please let us all make the right choice and make a difference for all our feathered friends today. It looks like we're all set to go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for our grand finale, that means we have lots of birds on stage, so let's get started. First up from Africa, our great white pelicans. Now to the land down under, our Australian pelicans. All the way to Africa, let's give it up for our Dalmatian pelicans. Back to Africa, but with their sexy long legs, models of the world on a greater flamingo. Now that's not all right, but at least let's take the sights of our beautiful parrots coming up from out there and there. With that, we have come to the end of the High Flying Show. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Now remember, exit is only at the top of the theater, but before you leave, please take a look around and take all of the belongings with you, alright? Last but not least, on behalf of everyone of our flight here at the Jurong, continue to have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys around, alright?